data lovers, welcome to WS Cube Tech channel. My name is Ayushi Jain. And guys, 3 months ago, we started our premium data analytics mentorship program, and so far we have launched 2 cohorts of it. In both of our cohorts, we have more than 200 plus aspirants who are coming from more than 20 states and more than 15 different countries. We have received an amazing feedback from the students that they are enjoying the cohort as they are getting to learn so much experiences from it. These last 2 cohorts have been an amazing blend of students and working professionals. Now, if you have missed this opportunity to join our cohort 1 and cohort 2 of data analytics, I am here to announce our cohort 3 of data analytics mentorship program today with so much more upgradations. Now, if you want to check out the details of our cohort 3, you can visit to the link that is provided in the description or visit this website www.wscubetech.com/data-analytics. Before we further move ahead with the details of cohort 3, let me give you some highlights of our cohort 1 and cohort 2. As I said, more than 200 aspirants joined us, which are the blend of students and working professionals, building a healthy community for us where everyone gets to learn. In these cohort, we have introduced industry levels of project which is taught by me along with the industry mentors. This course is designed in such a way that it covers everything from basics to advanced. After every live session, a Q&A session is arranged where a student can ask their doubt. Not just that, we have built a healthy community on Discord as well, where you can put on your doubts, network with people from different cohorts and grow a network on LinkedIn as well. In these cohorts, we have covered the topics like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, statistics, Python, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so much more. And also, we are not just focusing on just the technical part. We'll be preparing you for the soft skills as well by taking up the jam sessions where we prepare you for the interviews. How you can crack the interviews, what kind of questions are asked, how you can communicate, how you can put on your answer. We have been discussing all that in these cohorts. And as I said, we have received an amazing feedback from our students which have made their confidence level boost up from 0 to level 100. Now, if you want to make your career in data analytics, don't wait. Join our cohort, and the details of the cohort has been mentioned in our description. Along with that, you can also visit our website www.wscubetech.com/data-analytics. Start your journey with WS Cube. Enroll now as seats are limited. See you in the cohort.